Hello and welcome Forex traders. Steve here with TradeForexForProfit.com. Today is Sunday, May 14th, 2017, and we're looking at the AUDCAD on the 4-hour time frame here this Sunday evening. The market just opened a couple of candles back, and we are on the AUDCAD short to the most recent bounce low. Okay, so let me talk about what I'm looking at here so everybody understands the idea and the principle behind what's going on here. All right, early last week, we saw the market bounce and continue with the trend, the downtrend that was in place. So you have to ask yourself, what happens in a downtrend? Well, everybody sees that the market's going down and they look for opportunities to trade that way. Okay, they want to trade short. But when are they going to get in? They're not going to just arbitrarily jump in. They're going to wait for the market to pull back, okay, and then get bearish again. And when it does, they put their stop loss orders here. Okay, the market pulls back here, and then it gets bearish again right here. They put their stop loss orders here. All right. So, with that being said, what's going to happen when the market returns to this level? Well, it's going to return to this level because that's where the stop loss orders are. Not only that, it creates a bounce, okay, and this is an opportunity for everybody to do what they're going to do. They're going to execute their trading plan, okay. If it breaks to the upside, they're going to go long, okay, the breakout traders. The traders that are looking to sell, maybe they're going to sell right when it hits that level, it's expecting it to bounce, and then they put their stop here, it pushes up, takes their stop. Maybe they're going to wait for it to get bearish, and then they're going to put their stop here. But you have to remember, whatever it is they're doing, we're going to wait for that to unfold, and then that's when we jump in. That's how we trade, okay? So stop loss order sitting above here. This is a line that is a hot spot. This is where everybody's going to start getting back in. There's going to be a lot of liquidity generated right here, okay, with all the fake outs that happen with the long traders and the short traders and the battle that goes on. And it's the same thing. It's redundant. It's an infinite loop that happens over and over and over again. And this is just how the market moves. Okay, so once you learn to recognize this and harness this, you can get on in the right direction and wait until it's time to get in. You don't force the entry like the breakout traders and the traders that are playing a bounce and reverberations and whatever they're doing. Okay, so now the next key element to this system is, where are we going to trade to? Okay, same thing. Let's reverse this. All right, here's a bullish move. Okay, what is everybody waiting to do? They're waiting to get in on that, but they can't because it's bullish and it already closed, and they're afraid. They want to wait for it to pull back. So what do? They wait for the market to pull back and get bullish again, and when it does, they get on and they put their stop below this move. Okay, so that tells me, as a trader, the smart trader, that when the market moves back to the downside, where's it going to go for sure? It's going to go to this level. And that's where precisely where I want to be out of this trade. Okay? So it's going to go here. Why? Because the same thing I just explained to you here. This is now an area that everybody's watching, and they're going to trade their bounce. They're going to trade the breakouts. There's going to be a lot of liquidity generated here. But most importantly, when we use these levels as a target, we are waiting for one thing: the market to hit the level, exit our trade, and then we turn around and we watch for a new pattern to form. Okay? Okay, welcome back everyone. It is now Wednesday, May 17th, late last night. The market pushed down through this bounce level, taking our 2 times profit as we discussed earlier. The level was just breached enough to take the stop orders along with our 2 times profit target before the bounce. Okay, and at this point, it doesn't matter what the market does. It can up, down, we don't care, sideways. The point is that this is how the market moves. Okay, it's clearly evident that you have a level here, the stops are hit. You have the bounce here, stops are hit. That's what keeps the market healthy and moving one way or another. So now it comes down to which way is it going to move. Well, we don't know. Just place a question mark right here. Nobody knows. Okay, so until after it shows its hand, and when it does, that's what our patterns are good at. they are good at predicting the direction of the market after the market shows its hand. Okay, so come over to tradeforexforprofit.com, check us out. There's a free section, and it's there for you. There's several videos that you can watch without even joining, and hopefully we see you on the inside soon.